This is Isa Rider here in Sundance Mazda. I am here just to ask you a little question. Have you ever been somewhere and when you come back to your car, you just realize that your key fob battery is dead? Well, I'm here to show you how to unlock it, get in, and start it, and get to your destination. Alright guys, so I'm here to show you how to unlock it, okay? So even with your key fob battery is dead. So here is your key fob, okay? Now, here on the top, there is a little button. You press it, and then there we go. In order to get your valet key, you take it. So we come to your car to find the whole key. So you put it in and unlock it, just like that. Okay, so now we are in here, right? So I'm gonna show you how to start your vehicle. Remember, your key fob battery is dead, right? So you have to just put it on the start button, okay? And press the button, and it's ready to go home. So again, my name is Isa Rider here in Sundance Mazda. So if you have any question or if you want to book an appointment to do your test drive, feel free to call me. My number is below and I'll be so happy to help you.